homes are built to impress. Others are built for a full life. Welcome to Santa Rita Ranch, where this over 4,000 square foot Scott Felder home offers you space, flow, and function in all the right places. The oversized living room anchors the main level with soaring ceilings and a gas fireplace that brings warmth without overwhelming the space. A dedicated office on the main level offers flexibility for remote work or hobbies. If you're looking for scale, comfort, and lifestyle in one of the area's most vibrant communities, this home is ready to welcome you. I'm Marissa. Let's schedule your private showing.